Mineral powder is the high-fineness and high-activity powder obtained by water-quenching blast furnace slag after drying, grinding, and other processes. It is a high-quality concrete admixture and cement mixture. The purpose of the application of ore powder ball press is to reduce dust, control capacity, return utilization, improve transport characteristics, and other capacity design. Is mainly used for ore powder pressing into pellets. The roller of mineral powder ball press is cast with 65 manganese. After special heat treatment, the hardness can reach more than 58 degrees. The roller is assembled in combination and can be replaced after wear. The ball press of mineral powder has a buffer device, which can better protect the equipment from the impact of hard objects. Mineral powder ball press is designed with ball bowl adjustable device, so that the two-roller ball bowl is always within the adjustable range, never dislocation. The actual density of the material in the process of ball pressing can be increased by 1 to 3 times, so as to meet certain strength requirements.